Welcome to this tutorial video for Careless Love, the version as recorded by Anita Carter. Now, Careless Love has been around as a blues song and as a folk song for a very, very long time. It has been covered by a lot of people with a lot of different lyrics. At a ukulele jam recently, this was a request that was played in the group, so I thought it'd be good to cover it because, again, part of the reason of these videos is to expose people to songs that they might need to play at a multi-generational ukulele gathering. Before I start any tutorial video, I'd like to talk about the ukuleles I'm going to be using. Today I'll be using my Koaloha Opio Spruce and Acacia concert ukulele. And then for baritone, I'll be using my mainland baritone ukulele. It's cedar and rosewood. That's the baritone I'll be using. So let's talk about chords on GCEA ukulele for soprano, concert, or tenor. Really, there are only 4 chords being used, but there are 2 thrown out the end that are just kind of fun, so we'll take a look at those too. First chord you need is the F chord. We're in the key of F, so we'll start with the F chord. First finger goes on the 2nd string 1st fret. Second finger goes on the 4th string 2nd fret. That's your F chord. The next chord you need is the C7 chord. First finger plays 1st string 1st fret. The next chord is the F7, so you'll create the F chord again. First finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, second finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. Then you're going to add 2 more fingers. The 3rd finger will go on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and the 4th finger will go on the 1st string 3rd fret, making the F7 shape. The next chord you'll need is the B flat chord. You'll cover strings 1 and 2 at the 1st fret at the same time. You'll pinch them together like that, making what we call a half bar chord. Then 2nd finger goes to the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then the 3rd finger goes to the 4th string 3rd fret. That makes your B flat chord. At the very end of the song, there are 2 kind of fun chords to play, and they're both bar chords. They don't require much work. At the very end, it goes across all strings at the 4th fret. That's your E6. And then you play your F6, sliding up 1 fret. That's at the very end of the song. And then you're done. On baritone, I changed the key to the key of E, making it a little easier to play on baritone. The first chord you'll need is the E chord. First finger will go on the 3rd string 1st fret. Second finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. That's your E chord. The next chord you'll need is your B7 chord. First finger will go on the 4th string 1st fret. Second finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. And 3rd finger on the 1st string 2nd fret. That's your B7 chord. The next chord you'll need is the E7 chord. First finger, 3rd string, 1st fret. The next chord you'll need is the A chord. First finger will go on the 4th string 2nd fret, second finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and 3rd finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, all in one row, making the A chord. And the last 2 chords you just use for a moment at the very end of the song. They're both fun to play because they don't require much work. It's a great way to get involved with bar chords. You're going to cover all 4 strings at the 8th fret, and you might have to count down. If you have a dot, you usually have a dot at the 5th and the 7th, so it's the fret above. If you have side marker dots, which I do not, you should also be able to see those on the side. So you're going to go to the 8th fret, the one underneath the 7th. That sounds logical, but the one with the dot. And cover all 4 strings and play that. That's your D sharp 6, and then you're going to slide up 1 fret to the 9th at the very end of the song. Now when it comes to strumming, I would suggest using a swung pattern. I'm going to start first here with GCEA tuning, and I'll just do the first couple of measures of the song anyway. But in this case, on soprano, concert, or tenor, you're going to be playing between the F and the C7 chord. And I would suggest a shuffle pattern if all you want to do is going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That would work just fine. So I also like a couple of other strums that you can try. Another strumming pattern that I like in this song, you hit the first down strum, skip the up strum, and then do the rest of the shuffle strum. So it'll be like this. option for you. The final option for you in strumming would be to play an island strum. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Now again, I encourage you to keep your hand moving up and down. Even if you aren't playing the strings, don't freeze. But this is what this would sound like. When we switch over to baritone, different chords, but the 3 different patterns still work for the song. Option number 1 is a shuffle strum. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really hard for me to just play that one continuous shuffle strum. Option number 2 is to play the downbeat of the shuffle strum, skip the upbeat, and then play the rest of the shuffle strum. It would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final option would be to play an island strum where you're going down, down, up, down, up. And you got to keep the hand going through that entire pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 2 strumming patterns will work pretty well. Now realistically, you don't have to stick to one strumming pattern either. There is no set rule here. There was no original ukulele in the original recording of the song. So if you want to switch it up in the song and switch between all 3 of those, then maybe even add something else. That's the rasgueado strum where you hit all 4 strings with your fingers. Go ahead and do it. Have fun with it. It's an American folk song that's been used in a lot of different ways by a lot of different people, and it's something that should probably be on your musical knowledge chart somewhere. So, Careless Love, as recorded by Anita Carter, but also recorded by many, many more musicians over the years. That should be all you need to be successful for Careless Love, the ukulele play along either on GCEA or DGBE Ukulele. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.